Latest Facebook marketing success stories. Noah Kagan. Noah Kagan is an online entrepreneur, marketer, and the creator of AppSumo and SumoMe, two popular internet marketing products. Objective. Noah's objective was to try how many objectives he could achieve by investing large in Facebook ads. Strategy. Noah put $2 million in Facebook ads across all his products. He created traffic campaigns, lead generation campaigns, and conversion campaigns. Results. Noah was able to turn a profit of $267 per each sale he made through his campaigns and lowered his cost per click to 75 cents. Pandora. Pandora is a jewelry company from Denmark that sells retail jewelry all around the world. Objective. Pandora's objective was to increase brand awareness in the German market and wanted to try if video could perform better as an ad format. Strategy. The retailer repurposed one of its most successful TV commercials into a 15-second Facebook video ad. Results. Pandora achieved a 10-point lift in brand awareness, a 61% lift in purchases, and a 42% increase in new customers. Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. The Rock and Roll Hall of Fame is a rock and roll music museum and hall of fame located in Ohio. Objective. The museum wanted to boost brand awareness and ticket sales. Strategy. Museum personnel launched a Facebook Messenger campaign to provide fans and visitors on the museum's page with quick information regarding visits, events, and ticket prices. Results. The museum was able to raise its audience by 81% ever since it launched its Messenger campaign. Buffer. Buffer is a brand of software, applications, and tools designed to manage social media accounts and schedule social media posting. Objective. The company's objective was to avoid a decline in their reach and engagement on Facebook. Strategy. The company reduced the number of posts they were publishing by 50% and focused on creating fewer but more optimized posts. Results. Buffer was able to triple its average weekly reach and to double its daily engagement. Tomcat. Tomcat is a rodent extermination company from the United States. Objective. The company wanted to experiment whether a video campaign could help it increase engagement. Strategy. The company created a Facebook video event to tell a story about its services. Before the event, the company posted movie-like posters to build anticipation. Results. The video event generated over 2 million unique views and boosted the company's Facebook fanbase by 58%. HubSpot. HubSpot is a company that sells software products for social media marketers and online merchants. Objective. The company wanted to experiment with a series of Facebook video posts targeting lead generation and audience engagement as goals. Strategy. The company brainstormed a series of headlines and topics for new video posts. The intention was to try videos that users would like because of content and were not meant to drive sales. Results. The company was able to increase video views from 50,000 to 1 million in less than half a year. Foxnet Games. Foxnet Games is the video games and theme park unit of the 20th Century Fox Company. Objective. The company wanted to increase app installs for one of its newer games. Strategy. Foxnet launched a carousel ad with a call to action that invited users to install the game. Results. The new carousel ad delivered a 6% return on ad spend, 14% more revenue, 61% more installs, and 33% lower cost per install than previous campaigns. Major Impact Media. Major Impact Media is a digital marketing agency that specializes in revenue growth strategies, digital advertising, and advanced digital marketing services. Objective. The agency's objective was to generate more leads for a real estate client. Strategy. The agency created a series of lead generation ads on Facebook and set up a CRM funnel to capture the leads. Results. The agency generated 370 local leads at a cost of $6.77 each in just 90 days. Bella Soleil. Bella Soleil is a Tuscan home decor and fine Italian ceramics company. Objective. The decor company wanted to grow its email list and the size of the orders they were getting. Strategy. The retailer offered a 10% special discount coupon that popped up in a reveal page that appeared after people liked the Bella Soleil page on Facebook. Results. The company was able to quickly generate over $10,000 in profits from this campaign alone and grew the number of people that liked the page by 200% in just 3 weeks. Femi Bayan. Femi Bayan is a family planning company from Germany, and it's owned by Merck. Objective. Femi Bayan wanted to generate more leads for its business. Strategy. The company created and launched a series of lead generation ads on Facebook to gift a baby planning book, and they targeted female audiences. Results. The ads increased conversions by 35% and generated over 10,000 leads.